Stability, balance, harmony. These are the building blocks of our universe. And chemistry. Chemistry is the language that explains it all. Many people avoid it. Many say it's hard, boring, or just numbers and formulas. But the truth is, chemistry is the key to understanding the world in ways that words alone cannot describe. Every atom, every bond, every reaction is a story of creation, precision, and beauty. It shows us the invisible, the secrets that govern life, nature, and the universe itself. When you study chemistry, you're not just learning about elements or compounds. You're witnessing Allah's creativity, His grandeur, and the perfection in every little particle. The way hydrogen and oxygen meet to create water, the way carbon builds life, the way reactions unfold, it's nothing short of a miracle. And once you understand it, once you truly see it, chemistry stops being just a subject. It becomes a source of wonder, inspiration, and awe. It teaches patience, curiosity, and the joy of discovery. So, don't be afraid to dive in. Don't let numbers or formulas scare you away. Open your mind. Let your heart see the beauty that has always been there. Chemistry isn't just about science. It's about the art of creation itself. Because when you truly see it, you realize the universe is not just matter. It's magic. It's design. It's poetry written in atoms and energy. And chemistry is the language that tells it all. You're watching The Chem Board by Miss Hafsa, where chemistry meets inspiration. Subscribe now and join the journey of discovery.